In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save on Smartsheet. Saving your work regularly is one of the most crucial habits you can develop, especially in a platform as dynamic as Smartsheet, where you're constantly juggling various tasks and projects. The good news is that Smartsheet offers a straightforward way to ensure your work is preserved exactly the way you want it. Let's dive into the simple yet important process of manually saving your work. First, let's talk about the basics. To manually save your work, you have a couple of options depending on your preference and the device you're using. For Windows users, a quick way to save is by pressing Ctrl+S. If you're using a Mac, the equivalent shortcut is CMD+S. Using these keyboard shortcuts can significantly speed up your workflow by eliminating the need to search for the Save button, allowing you to keep your focus on the task at hand. Alternatively, if keyboard shortcuts aren't your favorite way to save, or perhaps you're more comfortable with visual cues, you can also click the Save button directly in the toolbar. This button is typically located at the top of the Smartsheet interface, either towards the left or right, depending on your setup. By clicking it, you're ensuring that all your changes are saved immediately. It's incredibly reassuring to see your work updated in real time, knowing that nothing will be lost if you accidentally close the window or experience an unexpected power outage. Whichever method you choose, the key takeaway is consistency. Make it a habit to save regularly. You might find it helpful to set a timer for yourself, perhaps saving every 15 minutes, or you could simply save after completing significant sections of your work. Regular saves act as snapshots of your progress, allowing you to revert to a previous state if needed, and providing peace of mind about the integrity of your projects. In conclusion, saving your work frequently, whether through keyboard shortcuts or by clicking the button in the toolbar, is an essential step in effectively using Smartsheet. Not only does it protect your efforts, but it also streamlines your project management process, ensuring that you and your team can focus more on productivity rather than worrying about data loss. With these simple yet effective methods, you can enhance your workflow and maintain the security of your important information. As you continue to navigate through Smartsheet, remember that a simple save can make all the difference. Happy working! And don't hesitate to implement these tips into your daily routine for a more efficient and stress-free experience.